Okay, so rooftop concert. That's a cool one. Okay, Rubber Soul. Sweet. Oh, that's a cool one. Oh. Shea Stadium. Nice. Ooh. 1963. Wimbledon Palais in London. Okay. Oh, this is an old one. Oh, I love that picture. So cool. There's no date on it though. Oh, that's nice. Hey Jude. So I believe there's a series of all the album covers. I should start a pile of that.
Okay.
John again. Oh, that's a cool one. I don't think I've ever seen that picture. I love it. Oh, cool. George Martin. This looks like the All You Need Is Love session. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. All You Need Is Love. Nice. I'm not too bad. Oh, Ringo with a portrait. Look. Sweet. So, this video is art related after all. We're not lucky,